Hi everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm back again with another video. So we will be making orange juice. I'm going to be sharing with you my homemade recipe for my orange juice. I love making my own orange juice. It's actually something that I started recently because of my daughter. Just trying to get her out of this, processed stuff. So yeah, so I really love it because it's a really good source of vitamin C. It's really great, and it helps fight the flus, especially we know how kids are when they're young and they go to school. They're constantly battling flus. So this is something that as parents we can make for our kids and give them daily, especially since it's homemade and we know what we're putting in it. The second reason as to why I totally love making my homemade juice is because of the flavor. I customize, I put my own flavors. Today I can want something sweet, tomorrow I can want it sour. So it's such a fun activity to do. Then my third reason as to why I love this juice is because it doesn't have any preservatives, because I'm the one who's making it from scratch. It's homemade. It's basically organic. We can call it organic. Yeah, it is organic. So yeah, I love it because it has no preservatives. So it stays in the fridge for about maybe not more than 5 days, and it's done, and I make another round of orange juice. So it's definitely a good choice, guys. You should start making your own homemade juices. And my last reason as to why I love making this juice is because it's fresh. You get to select the type of oranges that you want, and really you get the sweet, very sweet, fresh oranges. This is the real deal, guys. So definitely make it. If you don't make it, you can try and start, especially for parents. This is a good juice to make for your kids. Yeah, because it's a very good source of vitamin C. So yeah, let me just show you the ingredients that I'm going to be using for my orange juice. We're just going to make a very simple one. I usually have 2 recipes. At the moment I have 2 recipes, so I'll share with you my first recipe. It's very simple. So yeah, let me show you. Hold on. So these are my oranges. I already cut them up. So as you can see, they're really small pieces. You don't have to do that. They can be bigger. Then I'll be putting ginger. That's ginger, and just a bit of turmeric for. Yeah, I like turmeric sometimes. I don't put it every week because it stains. So that's all we'll be using, those 3 for now. Then as we continue, I'll show you what else I'll be putting.
We put this.
Yeah, let's put it in here. Whoa.
Now we put some ginger.
Yeah, get the ginger.
And then we put some ginger.
Yes. And then okay, that's enough.
Mommy.
Yeah, that's enough. I don't think we need more, Mama. Too much. Okay, thank you. So that's how we do it. Now I want to put the water and blend. So we ended up putting too much turmeric because I have my little helper here. So I usually put less than a teaspoon, actually, for even a larger portion, for about 2 liters or so. So yeah, today we're making about 1 liter, so that's too much, but it's fine. Yeah, there's no harm.
No harm.
Get your water and pour.
I want to pour one.
Let me pour.
Okay. Maybe pour some.
You want to pour some? Okay,
yeah.
Wait. Let me put it here for you. Okay, pour the water. Okay, thank you.
Now I want to mix.
It's gonna mix. Let me show you. You're gonna blend it right now, okay? Okay, can I close it? Okay, thank you.
Starlink was built by midnight. There be no strife. Take it slow, right? I got no sign of the future. If the stars right, then there's you here.
See the trees in my villa, yeah. Leave that pink little killer, no cam. Tossing stones like pillars, yeah.
This is the honey that we're going to be using. I like adding honey just to make it sweet. Let us go ahead and just put. Then once it gets to the consistency that I like, quite light, I then move on to the next step, which is the final step. I get a bowl, then I put my sieve on top like that. And just pour it, see? Ooh, la la.
It all come back in flashes. See the trees in my villa, yeah. Leave that pink little killer, no cam. Tossing stones like pillars.
So what's your point of view? No capulets and montagues, no second guessing modern views. What's your point of view? Is it Frank, MGMT, electric feel of nature? So please don't get complacent, I'm amused. Hope my interests don't confuse you, but I like to test the waters before I dive. I'm in search of something new, unfamiliar to my eyes. Lately earth been standing still, I've been looking for the motion. Got a 2-room flat with your girl for the moment. Got a new plug, need a day, night to show 'em off. Got a neighbor who complain about us smoking on the loft. Gotta leave my son up, little demo a la carte. Would've died for this life at 16.
So this is our juice, and I want just to store it in its jar. Ooh, it tastes nice.
Thing you see on the big screen. See the trees in my villa, yeah. Leave that pink little killer, no cam. Tossing stones like pillars, yeah. If you blink, it all come back in flashes. See the trees in my villa, yeah. Leave that pink little killer, no cam. Tossing stones like pillars.
UCLA to LAU, that's a 40-minute drive. If the traffic not as live, organic chem taking up your mood. I should've switched my major, it's been the shit I had to do. It's hard to find time during this time. It's hard to find time during this time. And niggas still rude. Gave you a kickstart, should've been A&R.
Ooh, guys, I love it, love it. Cheers. This is nice. So I actually put a lot of ginger, so you can actually taste it. Oh, but I love it. I love it. This is so refreshing, guys. Oh, why haven't I been doing this all my life? Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. And guys, definitely try out this recipe. It's so simple. I use just very basic ingredients. These are ingredients that you definitely have in your house, so that's why I decided to keep it very, very simple. Otherwise, I'll show you the other recipe very, very soon, so stay tuned for the next video. So like, share and subscribe. See you on the next one. Bye.